struggle with diet and exercise, trying to get the perfect body.
Sometimes nothing seems to work when you're targeting certain areas of your body, like those love handles, saddlebags, or the area around your neck.
Fox 6 News reporter Sharia Harris has more on a revolutionary treatment that doctors say is safer and better than traditional liposuction and can permanently get rid of unwanted fat.
I had a really huge double chin. My friends would take pictures, and I was looking at these pictures. I was like, do I really look like that?
My abdominal area, my fat is up top, not down below. So just trying to get that flat, smooth feeling, look.
Dewana Miles and Angela Muir struggled with what lots of people, men and women, struggle with: imperfections of their bodies.
Oh, I've dieted all my life.
Miles was embarrassed by the fat around her abdominal area.
Trying to lose the weight and then just having a baby.
Since her fitness routine didn't work, she sought a quick fix for the problem, a procedure called Smart Lipo. Smart Lipo is new in the U.S. and it's done in Birmingham. It's a minimally invasive body sculpting procedure. It involves the use of a laser to melt away unwanted fat. Doctors say Smart Lipo is safer and has more benefits than traditional liposuction.
The reason why we do Smart Lipo is because doing a combination of Smart Lipo and liposuction under local anesthesia, you get less bruising and less bleeding, less discomfort, and a faster recovery.
Dr. Barry Ginsburg of Ginsburg Dermatology Center in Birmingham has been performing Smart Lipo for about 4 months.
There just about isn't a spot on the body that you can't perform Smart Lipo on.
Here's how it's done. After local anesthesia on the patient sets in, a tiny tube about 1 millimeter in size is inserted into the problem area. At the tip of the tube is a laser. The tube is brought back and forth, and the laser causes fat cells to rupture, permanently destroying them. The fat cells drain away as liquid, and the tube sucks the liquid out.
The advantage of Smart Lipo over traditional lipo is that in problem areas where you might have a lot of fat, and if you remove the fat, you worry that the skin is going to hang loose. In Smart Lipo, you will get more skin tightening. Also, you get, because of the heat of the laser, you get better coagulation of the blood vessels because you're actually heating under the skin, and that causes skin contracture.
Muir had Smart Lipo done on her chin in December. Here's her chin before Smart Lipo and after.
I love it. I was thrilled.
Muir previously had traditional liposuction done around her waist. She says Smart Lipo was much better.
I had absolutely no pain. Recovery time was quick, and I was fine. Had a little bit of bruising, but nothing that makeup wouldn't cover.
Dewana Miles was also happy with her results. Here's what her abdominal area looked like before Smart Lipo, and here's after.
I can get in clothes I hadn't got in a long time.
She was a little sore after the procedure, but after resting for a couple of hours, Miles says she was fine.
I got up, I cleaned house, took care of the baby. I didn't have to go stay nowhere overnight to have it done. I mean, I can go back to work if I had to go to work the next day. I mean, it's something I can go back to my daily routine of doing. That's what I needed.
Both women say the fat around their problem areas hasn't come back since their procedures. And for Muir, well, she says this won't be her last time going under the laser.
I think I'm getting my upper back done, maybe my thighs. I want it all.
Sharia Harris, Fox 6 News.
Dr. Ginsburg says Smart Lipo is not a means of weight loss or for treating obesity. It is strictly for toning and sculpting those problem areas that you can't get rid of. Although the procedure destroys fat cells, Ginsburg still recommends patients continue a fitness routine to maintain their results.